Join in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. NBC.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity. Hindi ka maharap!
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
Arise, take your place, be enthroned on our praise. Arise, King of kings, Holy God, as we sing.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. King of Philippine business.
Ang mga anak ay madiskarte.
According to the 2013 ballot as the unanimous vote of the meeting for the elections of those nominated.
Ang tatay ay masipag para sa pamilya.
Everyone means business. Number two is face, operation.
Kapag ang mga anak at tatay ay nagsama-sama, siguradong madaming magagawa. Maaksyong serbisyo. Matapang na serbisyo. Kaya kapag dumating ng mga business competitors,
Gentleman there who wants to, two gentlemen who want to ask some questions.
isusumbong kanila sa tatay negosyante ng bayan.
Then I can also observe how the business progress.
Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business. The collaboration special slides of the C brothers and their dad, ang hari ng negosyo. At ang mga prinsipe ng negosyo. With your Dan Bernino Castro as Henry C, with Dennis Castro as Hans C, and Christian AI Buddy from NTB Corporation as Henry C Jr. Isusumbong kita sa tatay kong businessman part 2, studying Henry C's Dyson and Han Manila Gun Shop, and the Henry C Jr. and Hans C's business connection in SM Supermalls, and the Be The Best meetup of Denver Castro and Hans C for the first time. Simulcast on Ninong TV, July 25, 2026.
Mark Beats. Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
O sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Haha. Hey. O sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi, panis. Kahit pa napatsideng. O sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Mga girls ako lodi, kasi Harris in the game. Harris in the game. Yes, swag check muna mga kosa. Alam mo
Daily wear, often marked under SM fashion. It is branded as a go-to for everyday essentials, combining polish enough for work, relax enough for everything after style. Okay, so yun ibig sabihin ng baleno niya. Mga office wear, pantulog, mga pangbahay, pang-casual. Like sabihin na natin yung mga ano ba yung mga pantulog, like mga pajamas, t-shirts, sandals, underwears. And then yung mga pang-office like long sleeve, polo shirt. And yung mga slacks. So that is one of the example. And of course yung mga jacket. This summer, pwede rin. Meron din na summer attire ang Paleno SM Screen X. SM Cinema is a 270-degree panoramic theater format that extends the main movie screen onto the side walls of the auditorium. It surrounds viewers with imaginary, creating a full immersive experience that makes them feel like they are inside the action. Oh, so yun palang ibig sabihin ng SM Screen X. Kumbaga parang manonood ka ng pelikula na nandun ka. Basically, pagka nanonood tayo ng movie sa isang cinema, this is the big TV or the screen. So somehow, matipil natin yung 3D kapag magsusunod tayo ng salamin. Kumbaga parang mahawakan mo na si bossing. Parang gano'n. Eto naman, parang gano'n na rin pinagkaisa na hindi mo na kailangan. Are established in August 2002. SCI is a retail affiliate of SM Group. Ayun. Of companies with head offices at the SM Retail Headquarters, Pasay City. Operates the Under Armour, Nike, and Adidas location to all SM department stores. Ayun, yung Sports Central ng Tito Henry. Ano ba itong Sports Central? Nagbebenta pa siya dito ng mga pang sports. Yes, literal na sport. From the name sport. Mga sportswear, mga pang jogging, mga pang swimming, mga sapatos, mga damit na ginagamit sa sports. Kaya tinawag na Sports Central. So for the first episode, nadidiscover property groups, socialized and affordable housing division. Every Filipino family newly the opportunity to make their dreamy o newly na dreamy pa into reality o purely okay. So ayun po, madidiscover natin dito for the next slide kung ano bang meron sa kanyang SHDC ng Tito Helio.
Good day to all of you, and I'm Christian, your AI buddy from NTV Corporations. Now, we're here again for another business doctrines that we need to learn at SM Supermalls.
Always remember the .great, that stands for .great. Recognize, encourage, encourage more and thank and always greet back and respect also the seller not to snab on them. Now we will have is the Dyson products, a new business that made by Mr. Henry C. and the family. Dyson is a kind of map and vacuum and some air cone gadgets that used by some energetic that also serves. For home appliances AMD, the Gen Z businesses. Han Manila is the next to discuss all about the gun shop from SM Supermalls. Since in the 1980s. Now it's time to learn the legacy of the two brothers of SM Mr. Hans and Mr. Henry Jr. that works in Gen Z for SM Supermalls. Sir Hans, one of the boy son and the first one now holds to the SM Prime, Han Manila, brownies that came from his father, also the Levi's and some sportswear. Sir Henry Jr., the Gen Z businesses. Boy of Henry C. Sr. nows. Operate the SMDC, BDO, SM Prime and SM Investment Corporations. And some offices under by SM Group of Companies. On this lesson, I will be the character of Henry Jr. And after we learn those business. Vlog doctrines of SM Supermalls, Ninong will presented his beta best meet up with Mr. Hans after this presentations. Thanks be to God. And now we will learn this business lessons. Sit back and relax. And take down notes. And it's time to learn its business. Doctrines before testing if for simulator. And always remember the great. And the Poga products and services that we have in SM Supermalls. And now we will have is the main host of this vlog business doctrines live from SM Mall of Asia, the Ninong vlogger Mr. Denver Castro.
What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Castro. Welcome to the new TV, your live updates on Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Today we are rolling up today. This is not for the MSC Philippine Crystals YouTube Vlog content na may hanggang sa Ninong TV through NTV Corporation. And we are back again for another exciting business lesson. Lesson lang, we've tackled all about the connection with Henry and Sir Alden Richard in the Pambansang Bay at Pambansang Negosyan. And then we also have tackled ito lang, yung latest natin, the Gen Z businesses of your Tito Henry as well. And yung the Beatles, diba? Yun, lolo-lola natin, favorite yan, the Beatles. That is protection with the SM Supermalls in the merchandise sales na hanggang ngayon available pa rin siya sa surplus. So, kung mga gustong kumapol, bili na kayo. At talagang palaubusan po yan. But anyway, we are now having another video vlog and we are live here at SM Mall of Asia. Ang pinaka-wapong mall na pilihan niyo. At minsan lang natin gawin itong banking na to na just like we are doing simulator and we are doing doctrine as well. After yung doctrine, ma-discover yung all about other affiliates ng SM. Nakita nandito na kayo sa SM. Puntahan nyo lang. Para meron kayong idea what is that property, what is that business na meron tayo. At ang title ng vlog natin for today is Isusumbong kita sa tatay kong business. Oh, part 2. By the way, this is a part 2 of our video vlog. Kasi 3 years ago, ginawa natin to na meron tayong special guest, si Elijah Mata, na gumanap as si Big Boy. Kasi this is the connection of your Tito Henry at ni Tito Junior. Diba? Yung junior ni Henry, si Henry C. Junior, si Big Boy. So, ito yung part 2 na ating tatalakayin. At ito, mga bagong businesses na naman na hindi natin naisalin sa ating notes at nadagdagan na naman to, my goodness. Panibago na naman to na kailangan yung ihanda at idagdag sa inyong mga notes of discovering Henry C's businesses. Dahil ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin, Henry C's Dyson. Oh, ano yun? Dyson. Parang ngayon natin narinig yung Dyson, no? Ano ba yun? Enhan Manila. Gun shop. Uy. Oh, gun shop. Uy, may gun shop ang Tito Henry ko. And Henry C. Jr. enhances business connections in SM Super Malls. Mamaya meron tayong exciting part dito kasi in our part 1, di ba si Tito Junior yung kasama natin. Ngayon, si Tito Hans. Makakasama natin ito literal. Yes, mamaya ako nasasabihin, baka ma-excite kayo, baka i-skip nyo yung video ko eh. Okay. So, yan ang ating pag-aaral. Si Tyson, tsaka si Han Manila. Muntikan ko na masabi Manhan. Yung tinake natin last time, Manhan sa food vlogs. Anyway, so ngayon, meron din tayong makakasamang special guest na magbabasa ng ating mga palatuntunan. So, first of all, ano po yung tungkol kay Dyson? Makakasama natin, mag-appear dito si Christian, our AI buddy, at ipapakita na rin sa inyo ang mga picture and video na ano bang meron dito sa Dyson. So, you will check it out.
Hi, this is Christian, and I will read is all about Dyson and as your Henry C. Jr. Shop Dyson vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, hair care, and hand dryers for your home, and for business get support for your Dyson machines, and buy genuine shop at Dyson.com for free shipping and warranty. So this is Christian once again as your Henry C. Jr. giving you all about Dyson of SM Supermalls. Happy shopping.
What's up to all of you? This is your Ninong. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking simpleng simulator experience dito sa Dyson. Can we also be part of our simulator and doctrine lesson. Ma-discover natin ang ganda, parang robotics sa loob yung mga gamit nila. Very millennial and Gen Z and very great and powerful.
Hello, Po! This is Dyson, the Dot Vacuum and Home Gadgets, ready to give you service.
Always remember, having your home appliances is a blessing. Take care of it and use it wisely. Thank you for shopping. See us again.
Okay, let's discover all about. Thank you very much, Christian, our AI buddy. Siya ang ating introduction dito sa slide ni Dyson. So Dyson is a vacuum cleaner pala, no? Yung mga machine. Akala ko nagbebentang Tito Henry ng mga ano. Akala ko yung ano, kasi yung Dyson, parang nakita ko mga gadget. So parang mga cellphone, gano'n, yung mga. Tapos yung background niya talaga parang dark. Parang pang restaurant ng datingan, Dyson. Diba? Konti na lang pag nilagyan mo ng R. Dinosaur naman yun. Ay, iba dyan. So maganda yung yung product ng Dyson. Sana makapunta tayo diyan at makapag-encourage tayo na makapagbili ng mga produkto diyan. And of course, simulator. Next naman, ito talaga literally action. After ni Dyson, meron tayong Han Manila. Alam mo si Han, nagugutom na ata ako. Han Manila. Ito, action talaga to. Kasi this was in the 1980s or 90s. Ang inyong Tito Henry ay nagpa-franchise dito kay Han Manila. Ano ba yung Han Manila? Ito yung bentahan ng mga guns, mga pang self-defense, diba? Mga pang tanggol style, mga pang protection, diba? Pang action talaga. So, bakit nga ba may ganito? So that, siyempre sa ating mga daddies, sa ating mga parent, na kailangan minsan may protection, or kung ikaw ay magka-camping, magagamit din ito. Pagka ikaw ay may pupuntahan, emergency, pwede rin nating magamit ito. Hindi lang naman para bumarel, but somehow, may mga other parts na pwede natin siyang magamit. Just like sa camping, sa mga emergency like may bagyo, diba? Kailangan natin ng mga lubid or any equipment to survive and to help those of the people. So, nagle-level up na yung ating mga pinag-aaralan. We are not only dealing with merchandise, foods, clothes, toys. Meron din toys para sa mga daddy natin. Diba? So, speaking of daddy, eto, kung si Christian kasi ay gumanap na big boy. So, siya yung gumanap na big boy. Actually, si Christian dahil ay buddy, big boy Henry Jr. Makakasama naman natin si Daddy Dennis to read all about the Han Manila. At siya ang gaganap na special guest, by the way, as Mr. Hansi. Ayan. So, check it out on our next live. And after this, we will have another surprise live dito sa ating isusumbok kita sa tatang kong businessman Pardo. Sakto, Han. Sumbong natin kay Daddy Business. May nang atake. Di ba? May mga competitor, may mga naninira, may mga panggulo sa business. Di ba? Parang FPJ na to. Isang baala ka lang. Okay. So, check it out. What's all about Han Manila, and of course the picture and video to be sent and to be followed na rin sa ating slide. Go ahead, Daddy Dennis.
Hi, I'm Dennis Castro from What is Han Manila. Get armed with our fully selection of piston from Black and Torsi and shotgun Handsome. Explore all product. Store location are SM Mega Mall, Pasay City, Nova and Pang Avenue, SM North EDSA. Once again, and I'm Dennis Castro. This is the AMSI store. yata din. Puno.
Okay, just witness all about the Dyson and Han Manila. Maraming salamat kay Christian, our air buddy, and Daddy Dennis that they roll Christian as a Henry Jr. and your Daddy Dennis as your Sir Hans. So, for the next slide, eto na po yung ating gagawin. We will have Big Boy and Hans in business connections and to present the Be the Best of Ninong's Meet Up with, wala nyo kung sino sa dalawa. Meron tayo ditong dalawang ginapit ni Tito Henry. Si Big Boy or si Han? Sino? Okay. Sino ang inyong hula dito sa comment? Tama kayo, my dear subscribers. Dahil matunog at medyo dikit ang pangalang Hans dahil kay Han Manila. Yes, literally, binisita niya to at minana niya to ni Sir Han sa papa niya. Siya na ngayon nagpapatapo nito. At yan ang ating makakasama ngayon sa ating special meet-up, si Tito Hansi. So, yun have a chance and opportunity na makita si Sir Hansi, isa sa mga panganay ng Tito Rio sa boys. So, for another moment, we will have the Big Boy and Hans connection through their businesses of their dad. And the Ninongs Be the Best meet up with Mr. Hansi. Check it out.
Here.
6 times a week. You know the reason why I like to see a lot of people. Number 1, men's business. Number 2 is place. So pleasant. You can stay here, maybe have a coffee, and maybe enjoy the kind of atmosphere.
Yes. So it makes you happy.
And then I can also observe this place. How we stay. Okay.
Across these facilities, SMR projected to extreme weather and geological hazards in the Philippines. In 2009, tropical storms Ondoy and Tepeng caused damage equivalent to 2.7% of the GDP. Sadly, however, these occurrences are not uncommon. According to the 2013 ballot as the unanimous vote of the meeting for the elections of those nominated. The next item in the agenda is the appointment of external auditors.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the reappointment of Sisip Gores Velayo and company as external auditors of the company.
I second the motion.
Is there any objection? There being no objection, the motion is carried. There being no other items in the agenda, the chair will now entertain a motion to adjourn. Excuse me, where there's some gentleman there who wants to, two gentlemen who want to ask some questions.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
I would like to ask and reiterate, once we heard the merger of properties, our properties companies, is there any move by our companies of SM Investment to merge the properties and hotels under the one group so that one stock shares will be listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange?
There is study for that merger of all the properties under the SM Investment Corporation. But it is only up to study right now. So there's no definite, but if there's any decision, everybody will be properly informed.
Is there any
Castro, fanboy po ako ng dati ko si Mr. Henry C. Nagtatrabaho din po ako sa Surplus. Guys, meeting niyo po, opo, sa Surplus ni Pabloida, Emmanuel. God bless po. Merry Christmas po. Mr. Hudson. Thank you. God bless.
Look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
All of you, visit your email. Sending back here at Optical once again in SM. Kagaya ko ng back to school para sa ating mga boys. Ito po, trolley, bag, made of cars na pwede bukuhan at pwede rin pangpahanan for only 5,799. At meron din sa mga freebies just like water bottle and lunch bag. And of course, meron din itong jacket. Backpacks for grade 1, for kinder, and for prep up to grade 3 sa ating mga boys. This is the bag for prep up to grade 3 na pwede sa ating mga boys. Power bag, kasama pang susi yan. At kapag na-brown out sa inyong classroom, nakatok mo lang at may ilaw pa na. So this is only 899 pesos. Pwede sa kinder, grade 1 up to grade 3. From Optima Cars. Dito sa SM, you can buy it. At dito naman, we also have the backpack of 139. Perfect din po sa kinder up to grade 2. A car style po siya. So this cost for 1399 is 899. So buy na. Para lang kayo nag-Jollibee at McDonald's dito sa mga cars bag na. At Optima. Are you dreaming to become a princess instantly while you play with your friends? This is a solution.
Demo ka muna din din.
We have here is the accessories. Meron po siya mga tali, supply, and a glass, and a ponytail.
Kunyari.
From Frozen,
Sakay na siraan.
range from 399 on. Para sa ating mga princesses na gusto maging princess. Pag sila walang magawa, pag Sabado at Linggo, o di kaya gusto na mag-holiday. This is for them for only 399. And kung gusto na may yung accessories, for only 350. So parang difference lang.
Mali mo naman.
Meron din tayong supply, ponytail, and mga ipit as well para sa ating mga chikitin. And
we're also selling the variety costumes for Disney princesses, just like Elsa, Snow White, and some of the iconic characters and superheroes that range from 2,229. Perfect for your school activities and for your party needed. And also some of the Mickey Mouse accessories that range from 150 pesos up to 399 for comb and for some of the accessories for hair.
maraming item siya that range for only 499. Para lang kayo o Jollibee dito. So meron ka ng wallet, ponytail, panali, clip, and brush hair. So this is a portion from Optima. You can buy it here at SM store. All of the store. See, the Optima. So hindi na po ito. Ocean, from Optima, 499. And also the 349. Buy now to become the beautiful princess. Your playtime.
We've got it all for you.
Okay, na-discover natin. Grabe, nakakamiss at talagang we're so blessed and happy na. Actually, that pa sa in my lunch time, biglang napakita si Sir Hans. That pa sa saktong December 25 pa sa SM nagpakita. And sakto lunchtime, nagkakagulo yung mga tao doon, sino yun? Parang may darating na celebrity, may darating na ano. Aba, ang di ko alam, anak pala ni Tito Henry to, si Sir Hans. And then, that was my great opportunity kasi minsan lang naman mapadaan ng mga junakis ng Tito Henry yun. So, mag-selfie tayo, pasalamatan natin sila. And they are the new branches na nagpapatuloy sa legacy ng kanilang daddy. So, if ever you're watching again, Sir Hans, salamat po sa Diyos. Naway patuloy kayong lumakas. Good health para matulungan ang taong bayan at mapagpatuloy yung legacy ni Tito Henry, ni daddy nyo. Diba? So, speaking of legacy, ito. Pag natin ma-discover yung Dyson once again in hand, and ito si Big Boy at si Tito Hans, pag-discover natin yung CSR, of course, as you will bless from the Lord Jesus. Ito, mga ginagawa natin is a part of the blessing
seeing our motivators in personal is part of the blessing. So tayo naman po ay magbe-bless. At paano nga ba makakatulong si Dyson at si Han sa taong bayan? Diba? So you will check it out.
natin na kay buti't bigaya pagkakaisa sa bayang pinagpala ng isang buklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Ang ating lahat ng katotohanan, bansang pangarap lagi ng mga hinilang. Ang bayan sikap sa mabubuting gawa, Diyos ang sandigan,
We build for the long term, not for quick profit. From you, Henry C. Jr., giving you my action, motivation, and for inspiring. Thank you and God bless. Thank you, Daddy, and to our brother, Hansi. Don't rush into your business because you have a capital. You lose your shirt if you run into it. Leslie, from your Henry giving you a business action, and thank you for my two sons in helping me to serve the nation. Hans and Victor. God bless to all of us. Never show off, never talk about your success, keep people guessing. From Mr. Hansi, giving you my business action and learning, and to guide you. Thank you to my daddy and to my brother, and God bless all of us. Oh, asan di record? Hi, I'm Han Manila for your gun protection and collection. Always remember, the gun is using for self-defense and for fighting, not for fun and for killing innocents. Use it properly.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na isusamo kita sa tatay kong businessman part 2. Studying Henry C. Dyson and Manila Gun Shop and the Henry C. Jr. and Hansi's business connections in SM Supermalls. So, salamat po sa mga nanood at kayo po ay naway may natutunan. Again, kayo po ay may natutunan sa ating simpleng presentasyon at nadagdagan na naman yung ating mga business pagtatakay at mga lesson na ating mapag-aaralan at madidiscover dito sa SM ang ating mga bagong affiliates, bagong kapatid na meron dito sa SM Retail. So, take notes nyo yan, especially yung ating mga business lesson, yung ating mga kumukuha ng kursong ABM, business, di ba? Kagaya ko. So, i-take note nyo yan. At meron kayong may present na project, lesson,
na hindi lang po SM ang meron si Tito Henry yun, kundi marami pang iba at parang mas dumadami pa ata na hindi ko alam. Malalaman nyo na lang dito sa ating palakuntunan. So anyway, speaking of that, nasa 15 to 20 businesses na lang yung ating pag-aaralan at matatapos na rin natin to. And then, pag natapos na, huwag kayo mag-alala, mag-show pa rin ang ninong niya kay Henry C. Meron naman tayong simulator. Meron tayong yung servisyong Tito Henry and the SMDC video vlogs. Diba? And eto, abangan nyo, meron tayong ginagawang pinaka-part 2 ng Batang SM na ngayon naman ang itatakel dito sa movie ito is all about housing. Yung mga pabahay businesses ni Henry C. Ano ba yun? Basically, SMDC, di ba? So, yan yung aabangan natin. I think it will come by this, bare months or bago mag-bare months. Or baka sa pa-birthday ko, baka doon ko ipalabas yung ating title movie of Bahay para sa Pilipinas.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading or okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madalian. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumama ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Implement! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. King of Philippine business.
Rise, take your place. King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing.